welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I have an updated what's in my phone. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started. Before getting started, I want to mention if you haven't watched my video on my laptop, make sure to watch it. And I do have an update. I did get a bag for it and I'm so excited. I absolutely love this laptop, and I actually got a case for my laptop. So this is the gorgeous case that I have for my laptop. It is a marble print. It's like a gray and pink marble, and this is the brand. And then this is the back of it. So it looks like this, and then it has the zippers down here, and it also has this handle right here so you guys could carry your laptop. And then there's also a part right here where you guys could put like maybe a mouse or extra stuff for your laptop. So it's a very nice pouch. I love this. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it is a super nice soft material. It's super soft. And then the corners right here, you guys could put your laptop on each of the corners and it'll be super safe, super supported and cushioned. I love this. So this is how it looks like. It's now in there. As you guys could see, it is supported and it's super soft, super secure. And then I'm just going to close this up, and there we go. So it fits perfectly. It's really nice and snug. This laptop bag, if you guys are interested, you guys can check it out. I will leave it down in the description bar. So this is the theme, and that is the creator. This is a video type theme, so I love that. I love when lock screens are like that. So this one is free and it was $2.22. So here is the super cute animated phone theme. So it is a video wallpaper. So pretty much we just have some diamonds, some stars, some moons, and the unicorn head that says unicorn. And it says, "I'll give you all the luck, luck, luck." How cute is that? I love this theme. It's super simple but super like pastel and cute, and I love once again how it's like moving. This does have an always on display, and it just looks like that. So it's just a unicorn head with rainbows and stars and diamond and a moon. This is how it looks like on the inside. I absolutely love this. So we just have the same wallpaper right here. It actually matches very well with the purple right here. Like I've mentioned before, you guys could definitely change this to a different color to match better. And this is how the background looks like, and the super cute icons. So this is our backspace and our home right here, and then our tabs. And I love how it's a diamond and a star once you flip the pages. This is how the rest of the icons look like. Super pretty. I love these icons. I feel like they just make me super happy. So this is how the icons look like. This is the camera, calculator, calendar, messaging, and all of that. And look at these folders. Oh my gosh, y'all, if this is not the cutest thing I've ever seen, like I don't know what is. It's pretty much a rainbowed out, and then we got little hearts right at the top. So pretty much in here I just have the Google apps all laid out just like that. And then in the next one I just have all of the Samsung apps here, and then here I just have T-Mobile. So this is my T-Mobile folder, and this is my social media folder. So pretty much this folder just has all my social media accounts, as well as Influencer and Pinterest, which I absolutely love. And then I also have Life. So in this one I have my Kaiser. I do have the Disneyland app, but I don't think I need it no more because, you know, I also have Lyft, which I haven't used in a while, but I still have it just in case. I have Zoom because that's life now. I also have the Samsung Health, which I know I could be in the Samsung one, but I just keep it here because I've been using it a lot to track my daily calorie intake, my exercise, all that. I also have that for work. I also have the Zillow app because I have been on the market for a house. I just want to see how the prices are. I've been hiking, so I have all trails, really been loving that. And then I also have the Bixby. Then I also have a shopping one. So in the shopping one, I just have my bank receipt hog, which I upload receipts and get money for. A Groupon, I have Credit Karma, gotta check that credit score. OfferUp, sometimes I do sell. I haven't been selling lately, but I do sell sometimes. I have Yelp. It's an essential, guys, to have Yelp right now because it's a lifesaver whenever I'm craving something. I have the Ulta. I have Venmo. Finally, I just recently got it. I forgot why, but I got Venmo now. I really haven't used it, but I have it just in case. I have Flip, which is a grocery helpful app. If you have grocery shopping, download this app because it's super helpful. And then I have my Dunkin' app because Dunkin' is life. If you guys aren't on the Dunkin' game, get on it, girl. Get on it because it's so yummies. I also have Shazam, Netflix, Spotify, my Chromecast, and TikTok on music. And then lastly, we have new picture editing. So we have Facetune, which I always had. We have Lightroom as well, which I showed you guys previously. But now I have this new retouch, like cropping out like certain stuff for my images. This is the app that I use now because the other one just didn't work for me anymore. But pretty much these are all of my apps that I have in all my folders organized. And that's how it looks like. Let's see how this looks. So this is the super cute phone. I love how it looks. I love the lavender color and the unicorn. So the messaging looks like this. So it's a unicorn and purples and shades of lavender. And then this is another cute design for the keyboard. It's just lavender and purple. And then the icon turns into a unicorn. So I really love how this looks. I love how cute it is. I love the simplicity. So this is what I currently have, and that's how my current setup looks for my phone. I really enjoy it and I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys subscribe if you did enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!